This is called Piak. Look how red my broth is. Oh, my mouth is watering. Oh, this is my favorite. I always take a bite of this first. Don't do it. So spicy. Piak is a rice flour tapioca starch noodle soup. Lao Mong and Mien, this is called Khao Piak. In Vietnamese, this is called Banh. Look at that, chicken feet. You go to the fast food restaurant, you ask for chicken tenders, chicken fingers. Well, I have the real chicken fingers right here. I want to stay young. Look at that gelatinous stuff, full of collagen. I never had chicken feet. Describe it as like the skin of the chicken wings. Tastes like that. You scared to eat this? Give it to me. I like it. This collagen is gonna make me look younger. Give me good skin. You don't want this with the balut, the kai lut? Give it to me. I'll eat it. So satisfying. You want to expand your palate. You don't want to miss out on good food. Give it a try at least once. You only have one life. Who doesn't love chicken noodle soup, right? Oh, plastic. Alright guys, I can't do it no more. My stomach's growling. It's so spicy. Oh my goodness. Spicy. 1 more line. I'm dying, guys. Whew. So bad, but so good for you. Just like everything in life, right? Yeah. Oh, spicy, guys. The chicken thighs like dark meat is so very flavorful. Chicken noodle soup made with rice flour, tapioca starch. So if you like udon, Japanese udon is similar to it. Very close. Maybe one ingredient making it different. But if you like that, you like this. It's not as thick as udon, but you can make it like that. In Vietnamese, this is called Banh. Look at that. I have the piece of the chicken there, the chicken thighs. I just eat really spicy. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Oh, drooling. My goodness, I made it so spicy. Look at that. My mouth is watering. So spicy. There's just so much going on in here. Look at that. The pork cakes. I used chicken thighs this time with pork. Giving that kind of like the broth of like hutio. Sap in Lao means delicious. So what I did was took sap and fantastic. Put it together, we have saptastic. When you guys always see me wear saptastic, that's my new line of brand that's coming out. So stay tuned. You guys need the full tutorials on my YouTube, okay? I have full tutorials, a lot of recipes actually. Check it out if you guys can.
이 세상 하나뿐인 나. Then you got me thinking